Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can organize content with collections in Enterprise Search. This is our Enterprise Search dashboard. First of all, click on Collections on the left. This is where we can create and manage collections. Let's create a new collection. Click on New Collection at the top. Here we need to enter the collection name. Below that, provide a collection description. You can also change the visibility. Simply click on the drop-down and select Private, Team, or Public. Let's keep it private and then hit Create Collection. As we can see, our collection is created successfully. To add files to the collection, simply click on the collection name and then click on Add Item. From here, you can choose the item type. Currently, it is set to link. We can click on this and select either a link or a document. Let's click on Document. Now we can upload our documents. We can see all the supported file types here. To upload a document, simply click here, select the file, and hit Open. The file is uploaded successfully. We can see the file title here and the URL. Simply click on Add Item. As we can see, we have just added one file to this collection. Let's close this. Over here you will find Smart Suggestions, which can be really helpful. The platform uses AI to automatically recommend items that might belong in certain collections based on relevance. We will see a match percentage next to the file name. To include a suggestion, simply click on Add, and then from here, you can add it to an existing collection or create a new collection. Let's say we want to add it to an existing collection. Choose a collection from here. Let's select Refund Policy, then click on Add to Collection. As we can see, the file is added to the Refund Policy collection. Let's click on this, and here's the item that we just added. Over here, you'll find all your collections. You can use the search bar at the top to find specific collections, or you can use this filter. Click on this, and from here you can select All Collections, My Collections, or Team Collections. That's how you can create collections and organize content in Enterprise Search. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.